Did you know UPS drivers literally predicted their own deaths from heat? In 2014, driver Steve Kruger told his wife the 120-degree trucks would kill him. 2 weeks later, he collapsed and died from heat stroke. UPS executives knew their trucks were death traps, but calculated that paying wrongful death lawsuits was cheaper than installing air conditioning. When drivers begged supervisors for cooling systems during record heat waves, they were told to drink more water. The company chose profit margins over human lives, turning brown delivery trucks into mobile ovens.